with whatever I do, whether it be hiking a mountain or being in the ocean and surfing. All I'm searching for is more connection to nature. And wine gives me a way to explore that and to have a career at it. I don't daydream when I'm making wine. It's almost a no thought at all, like complete focus into the process that's going on, into what I'm doing. It really comes down to nature. Like, what is the perfect balance of ripeness in nature? That perfect moment that happens, just this balance between acid, sweetness, and mature tannin. On an ideal vintage, all of those elements would come together. That's how I feel with the wines that we make in the pure way with LOLA. It's sort of the coming home. It's like everything is together as it should be. Those are the wines that we want to make, and those are the wines that I want to drink. It kind of completes the circle, I feel like.